the end of this video, you will have your very own custom AI chatbot running on your WordPress website without using any plugins. Imagine enhancing your website, offering top notch customer service, and even monetizing your skills by creating AI powered solutions for clients. And the best part, you can do it all yourself, step by step, with zero experience needed. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Loomvian. I am Urooj, and today I'm going to teach you a very powerful skill, how to build a custom AI chatbot for your WordPress website. Whether you are looking to improve user interaction or offer automated support, this tutorial is for you. And yes, this is completely free and open source, so you can use it or customize it without any fear. All the code is available on my website and I will link it in the description below. First thing first, navigate to my GitHub repository and download the plugin files. But if you prefer a step by step guide, I have provided all the code and instructions on my website. Feel free to follow along there. If you are looking for a quick and easy solution, just grab the files from GitHub. Once you have downloaded the files, unzip them and open the folder. Here, you will see a main folder named Loom Chatbot. This is the main directory where everything is stored. Inside this folder, you will find the main PHP file, a CSS folder, a JavaScript folder, and images folder. Let's start with the main PHP file. This file is where the magic happens. I have already set up the plugin structure, included the functions for FAQs, and handled everything else for you. One of the coolest features of this chatbot is its ability to memorize user input and recall them when needed. This means your chatbot can hold more personalized and engaging conversations over time. I have also added a feature where the chatbot will only answer questions on specific topics that you set. This way, it stays focused and relevant to your audience. Of course, you can customize these topics to suit your own needs. The FAQ section is particularly important. This is where you will feed your chatbot. The more variations of questions and answers you add, the smarter your chatbot will become. So why I have set up FAQ section? So answer is that FAQ section within the PHP file where you can enter all the questions and answers related to your website for customer support. This is a database. When a user asks a question, the chatbot will try to find the answer from these FAQs first. If it doesn't find a match, it will then use AI to search for the best possible answer. However, it's programmed to respond only to topics related to the keywords I have provided. If a question falls outside of these keywords, the chatbot will politely say, I can't answer this question, please. This ensures your chatbot stays focused on relevant topics and provides professional responses. Next up in the CSS folder. This is where all the styling for your chatbot lives. You can customize the look and feel of your chatbot to match your website design. But don't worry, I have already included a clean, modern style to get you started. Finally, we have the JavaScript folder. This is where the interactivity comes in. Everything from minimizing and maximizing the chat window to handling user input is controlled here. This script is what brings your chatbot to life. The last folder is images. This is where all the icons for your chatbot are stored. I have included a default set of icons, but feel free to customize them or add your own to give your chatbot a unique personality. Now, I know this might seem like a lot, but don't worry. You don't have to touch most of these files. There's just one thing you need to do. Open the PHP file and add your Gemini API key. Yes, that's it. You don't need to modify anything else. After adding your API key, save the file, compress the folder back into a zip file, and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are in the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, add new Upload plugin, choose the zipped file you just created, install it, and activate the plugin. And that's it. I know you are excited to see your chatbot in action. Now, to add the chatbot to your site, simply copy the shortcode from my website and paste it into any page, post, or even your footer to display the chatbot across your entire website. Once you have done that, save or publish your changes and view your site. Oh, look at that! It's your very own chatbot, ready to assist your visitors. Go ahead and test it out. Customize it as much as you want. And there you have it. Another powerful skill added to list. Is not that cool? I have many more tutorials like this, especially using AI. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you next time.